In our previous class, we learnt about construction and working of neon sign tubes, color mechanism of neon tubes, working of sodium vapor lamp and its types, construction of low and high sodium vapor lamp, principle of discharge tubes, construction of single tube fluorescent lamp, working of halogen lamps, construction of compact fluorescent lamps and its types, LED lamps and its types. In this class, we will discuss about lighting for decoration, serial set design, methods used for decoration, names of flashers and its function, use of decoration lights. Electric light decorations for special occasions like wedding, parties, festivals and fairs is a most common feature nowadays. Special electric light sign circuits have much color, fun and pleasure on the occasions. Electric signs, especially neon signs, are extensively used for advertising, which have tremendous eye-catching effect. Decorations with electric signs improves the appearance of a building and makes the place looks more attractive. Two methods used for decoration are signs employing miniature low voltage incandescent light, which can be switched on and off in sequence to produce the desired effect. Neon signs employing tubes shaped to produce design in various color being determined by the type of gas used in the tube. Miniature incandescent lamps. Miniature incandescent lamps are usually available with 6 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt and 16 volt rating with different colors, which may be grouped in series or series parallel combination for operation in available 240 volt supply. For getting different messages and decoration effects, the following types of flasher signs can be used. Speller type flashers, which are used for spelling out the signs letter by letter or word by word for building up or down, plain on off flashing with changing colors. Speed type flashers are used for operating spectacular signs such as lighting, waving flags, flames, revolving wheels, etc. Script type flashes, as name implies, are used when the effect of handwriting in script letters is desired. An example for speed type flasher for revolving is shown in the diagram. The speed of the running light or rotating light can be adjusted. In this 3-point running light, there are 3 groups of lamps, each group switched on and off in sequence for running effect with the help of a small induction motor, which is running using an eddy current principle and connected with 240 volt, 150 volt, 50 Hz. Cans or drums are mounted on the shaft, which is rotated by the motor. The circumstance of the cans or the drums are so cut that the brushes will make contact only during the fixed portion of the revolution, thus completing the circuit. We can make 3 independent circuits by the 3-point sign flashes, which are switched on and off successively. Flasher. In a row of lamp of low voltage, a small lamp of filament type is connected in series with the other lamps. This lamp does not give the light but acts as a switch for the other lamps. The lamp consists of a bimetallic strip which is in contact with the fixed strip. When the row of lamps is connected across the supply and switched on, a bimetallic strip gets heats up. This breaks the contact and disconnects the supply to the other lamps, which makes the lamps off. After a few seconds, the bimetallic strip cools down and makes contacts. The supply to the other lamp is on and lamps lights up. This is a twinkling type row of lamps used for decoration. The rating of the flasher in each row of low voltage lamps must be same as that of the other lamps in the series circuit. If the lamps are of different ratings, then the flasher must be the lowest current capacity in that circuit. Though the flasher can be connected anywhere in the series circuit, it should be connected at the supply, considering it as a switch. The operation of the flasher can be decided by observation. If the bimetallic strip is found welded with the fixed strip, then the flasher is not useful, and if it is an unserviceable condition. The operation condition of the flasher can be decided by observation. If the bimetallic strip is found welded with the fixed strip, then the flasher is not useful, and if it is an unserviceable condition. It can also be found out by connecting with circuit and testing for its condition, that is, whether it is working or not. When a number of series lamp rows are connected in parallel, the flashes should be connected at the input of the supply. In this session, we learnt about lighting for decoration, serial set design, methods used for decoration, names of flasher and their function. I hope you all understood this topic very well. Thank you for watching, and we will meet in our next class.